In order to use the content calendar template, click File, make a copy, name it whatever you want, and hit OK. This allows you to make edits. There are 5 columns. The first one's keyword, which is the primary keyword you plan on targeting. You'll have a whole list of them. The second one is keyword difficulty, or KD, which is an Ahrefs metric that tells you how difficult it is to rank for a keyword on a scale of 0 to 100, 100 being the hardest. Volume, which is the number of monthly searches that keyword gets on Google. Title idea, which is a title that you come up with based on the primary keyword. And then publish date, which is just the date that you publish the article. If you did decide to buy Ahrefs, head over there and enter all of your keywords that you're targeting and add them to a list. To do that, hit New List, type the name of your list, and add all your keywords, then hit Create. Once you've created a list, scroll down and you'll see all of them down here. Click on your list, go to Metrics, and then click Export, Start Export, open the CSV file, delete the country column, copy keyword, difficulty, and volume, use Control-Shift-V to paste everything in, and then I like to delete that row because we don't need that extra information. And then you'll have all of your keywords in a list on here, and then you can come up with your title ideas and your potential publish dates based on that. If you have any questions, leave a comment down below and I'll be sure to get back to you.